It's all true. Nanita, there's a fucking poster.
there's
It
a
says
poster.
watch party. Amira versus Khushi. November 6th. Sponsored.
Yeah, please put this
And it
poster.
says, guys, pull up at 9 p.m. near Rizvi College.
And how can y'all have a watch party without us?
Actually,
That
man.
is so unfair, first of all. That's why we wanted to bring this up. Anytime this is happening, please invite us.
What's up, chat? Welcome back to the Casuals. Once again, a lot to discuss today. Start with FPL, Premier Picks, the Border Gavaskar Trophy, which is coming up starting tomorrow. Friday, 22nd.
Yeah. Tomorrow,
And-
basically, when people are gonna watch
Yes.
this,
Yes.
so it's gonna be tomorrow. You were right.
I had that in mind.
Yeah.
And just a quick announcement that these guys will be covering the BD Liga next week. So there's 2 days where they play a football tournament at BD Somani School where Sammy went. And they're just going to do interviews and cover the league and everything, no?
Don't say that. Don't
Then?
say where I went to school and all.
Why?
I don't like it.
I've said UT Austin like 20
That
times.
is okay.
Second.
Second. Continue.
You had some news to break also.
What news? Big news. Big news. Paul Hughes. Big news. He's a fighter we made friends with on our trip to Riyadh. He's the Irish fighter, the next Conor McGregor, as people are saying.
He's behind you. Point out. Show them.
He's right here. Hopefully you guys can see him. I know he's fighting. He's fighting for the belt. Who is he fighting, Tanay?
He's fighting Usman Nurmagomedov, a cousin of Khabib. And they're fighting for the Bellator lightweight title. So it's a huge fight.
Damn.
They're advertising it as Dagestan versus Ireland 2.
Mm.
So that's going to be interesting.
And it's going to be happening in Dubai. We're going to try to make the trip, cover the fight again, just because we're huge, big news fans, huge Paul Hughes fans. So we're going to try to be there. Sorry, it's late.
I'm quite neutral about that. So.
Yeah, he's super neutral about it. I am super pumped about it. Can't wait to see my guy do well. He's been amazing to us. So the least we can do is rally up the nation of India behind him, give him all the eyes, the market, and yeah, everyone become a Paul Hughes fan. If you are a casual viewer, the podcast, then you should be a Paul Hughes fan.
Do we have Khabib and Islam in his corner?
So I'm pretty sure Khabib will be there. Not sure about Islam.
Not in
And
Paul Hughes' corner, his opponents.
Of course,
yeah.
in his cousin's corner. But and Conor also might pull up to show some love to Paul Hughes. He's been tweeting a lot about him,
Yeah.
or he did when he won his last fight. So hopefully we can get some good shots of those guys.
It's going to be massive, man. He was so good in his last fight. Can't wait to see him in
And
this
being an
one.
Indian, it's easy to support the Irish. A similar flag,
Same,
orange,
it's
white,
the same
green,
thing. It's the same thing.
without the chakra.
We copied it from them.
And speaking of India, I hope you guys voted today. I did clearly.
Yeah, I did. Show me your fingers again, Tanay.
Yeah,
It's really shameful, honestly. Tanay.
you did not vote.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Screaming is yours, na intern.
But y'all should just put fake.
Mix, you voted?
Obviously not.
What the hell, bro?
Why
Mix?
not? Do you not love Maharashtra?
Maharashtra Maza.
We sang that.
Jai, Jai. Even we did, of course. It's
We
a-
did in the Maharashtra tournament.
I never sang
When
that
we
song in
were
my
tournament.
life. I was wondering. I never sang that song in my life.
In
I
Scottish, we sang it.
No,
a bunch of
we
times.
only did it
There's
at
no way, bro.
Yeah.
when we played the
Are
national.
you came or what? You were there in Scottish.
No, there was no chance.
You know the whole song, mate.
100% chance, bro. For our Marathi classes, this is what
Okay.
they made us do.
I don't know.
Learn
We
songs,
had
not the
Marathi
actual
classes in
language.
The 4th.
Till the 7th. That we had till the 7th. 7th or 8th? 7th. Then we got science, right?
No, bro. We had Marathi till your 3rd grade, 4th grade.
No. I definitely had Marathi.
Till 8th, bro.
Till-
4th
yeah,
to 8th is Marathi.
I didn't have
5th to
Marathi
8th.
in...
This is what happens. This is
ICSE.
ICSE.
I remember
Hey,
Yere Yere
this is
Pausa.
this is what happens when you don't vote. You don't.
Who didn't vote?
You.
Are you crazy?
You saw him hide his nails or what?
Dude, so I went to
This
this
is not
place
a
where...
laughing matter. Everyone, please
I
go
went
vote.
to this place
like
Yeah,
I
please
don't
vote.
give the tick. They don't give this mark on the finger where I went.
True.
It's like a up and coming place.
Yeah, so where I went, they gave me a pedicure, manicure, they did my nails. Hey guys, how's this looking?
His mark is on his ass.
If mixed or not, you're out of show.
Yeah, fair.
Fair enough. I mean,
One more thing you wanted to talk about?
oh yeah, one thing you should know. What is it? DS, can you do it?
One thing in sports that you should know. What is it? Wait.
Oh,
One thing-
One thing that happened in sports this week that you should know about.
A quick callback to our very own RSG. She broke the news, at least for us, that legend Sam Kerr, who's a women's footballer,
Bro,
is-
don't look at me. I know this.
is having a baby with Christy Mewis. Is that how you say her last
I
name?
think so.
It's called
Mewis.
mucus.
Shout out
Sam
Sattu.
Kerr and Christy Mewis are having a baby. Now you might, this is, first of all, congratulations to them.
Congrats.
Congrats.
I
Just to
mean,
give context,
yeah.
one's a Chelsea footballer and one's
Exactly.
a footballer for West Ham.
That is, if that, I only wanted to bring this up because imagine if this happened in the men's game and
Some
Roy
guy got
Keane.
pregnant.
No. Some guy had a boyfriend on, say, imagine Kai Havertz was Colwell's lover who plays for Chelsea. Kai Havertz plays for Arsenal and Colwell plays for Chelsea. And they were lovers and they were having a kid together. And then after the game, they're shaking hands, hugging, kissing, and all that.
See,
What would Roy Keane have to say about that, dude?
That would
Imagine.
be
when
He
you
has a
were
problem with people shaking hands and being friendly after games. Imagine husband and husband are playing each other and they, don't look at your husband. Don't touch your husband for a week.
when you were in Scottish and I was in Mary's, we had this situation and it was fine. Nothing happened. People showed love. What else? Look how far we've come.
Look how far we've come. I only wanted to bring it up because I was like, okay, well, how would this be perceived in the men's game?
I
In the
think it'd be
women's game?
hilarious because there'd be some crazy memes going on, and yeah, I think people like Roy Keane and all would go crazy on it. I don't actually know what Roy Keane
I
would
don't
say.
think he would go
Yeah, he
crazy.
would
I don't think he'd
not.
actually
because
go
he'd get
crazy.
fired.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it actually makes no sense. Like, if you're like a partner with someone, you have to be friendly at least with them.
The bare minimum.
You got to 2 foot
He
that
will
guy. I
have
don't
to
care.
take all his takes back about players not being friends on and off the pitch back because this is more than friendship.
All these guys are super aggressive with each other on the pitch because they want to touch each
I was
other
going to say the bed.
on the pitch. Like how Alfie and Roy were. Maybe they had something going on.
So you think Erling is
It
that
was
kid?
sexual frustration. And then Erling Haaland. Because he's aggressive and he looks like Alfie, bro. Traits of both.
So women are channeling that sexual energy positively
Exactly.
and making a baby out of it.
Right.
That's about it.
That's
take.
I don't know. It's funny, to say the least. It's a funny situation.
Congrats.
But congrats.
Congrats.
Lots of love.
Who gets maternity leave and who gets paternity leave?
The
Whoever's
thing-
pregnant, no?
The West Ham one.
The West Ham one. She's the worst player.
Yeah.
Whoever's bringing
No,
in...
she is Sam Kerr's like a
Yeah, Sam Kerr's a
legendary
legend.
footballer.
Exactly. She'll
Yeah,
probably
yes.
replace a lot of
I
Chelsea
guess whoever's
men's
making
players.
more money.
More money. That's what I was saying. Who's bringing in
Yeah,
more money?
100%. So Sam Kerr,
Goes to
of
work.
course, right?
Who they making
Oh,
money?
isn't Sam Kerr also injured? I thought she tore her ACL.
So you think she got injured and they were like, perfect timing. Let's get you pregnant.
Of course, why
But
not,
who got
right?
pregnant, Ram Dam? I still don't know.
The West Ham.
West
The
Ham,
West
not
Ham.
for sure. What's her name? Mucus.
Mucus. No, man. It's not that. Mucus. No, is it? Is it Mucus? What is her name?
Yeah, she does have an ACL injury.
ACL injury. But is she pregnant or no?
No.
So-
How many times?
So then the other person is playing and she got pregnant while playing?
She's not playing.
Not anymore, of course.
I mean,
Also-
Sam Kerr's still making the money, right, if she's injured.
Of course, yeah,
I guess
100%.
she's making her maternity leave anyways, though. Probably makes more sense for the person with the more money to...
But yeah, congratulations, Sam Kerr. And if you're
Mucus.
all the haters who are... my brain is not working.
Fuck the haters, basically.
Fuck the haters, yeah.
I think it's a beautiful thing.
We all think love is love. Love is beautiful. Babies
Love is
are
blind.
not that beautiful. They're pretty annoying, but let's move on.
That's
Actually,
I hate
fucked for you to
What?
say,
That's so
I
annoying.
love babies, bro. Okay.
bro. Pause. Don't touch him, please. Don't
He's
touch
busy on his phone, dude.
Yeah,
he
actually,
doesn't give a
he's
fuck.
watching the fucking
kids
kabaddi.
these days. But yeah, let's go. Let's continue. Let's move quick.
Okay,
Let's get out from the situation.
2 women to 2 more women. This or that for this week
Ooh.
is Amira versus Khushi. So basically, for some context,
Who is Amira? Who is Kushi?
on November 6th, which was about 15 days ago, these two girls got into a fight over a guy. Mix has written a report himself about what happened.
Definitely not. Okay, I was told to read this. I have no idea about context, nothing. So Amira and Kushi, both of them liked this guy Dhruv. Dhruv and Kushi kissed, and Amira liked Dhruv, and she was best friends with Kushi. So she took a video of both of them and threatened to send it to Kushi's mom. These two start fighting and planned a physical fight. They literally invite people to watch them fight. Kushi lost in the fight. She was like bleeding and shit apparently. I was just told to read this, guys. I have no idea about context, nothing. So yeah.
But it's all true. Nanita, there's a fucking poster.
there's
It
a
says
poster.
watch party. Amira versus Kushi, November 6th, sponsored.
Yeah, please put this
And it
post
says
up.
guys pull up at 9 p.m. near Rizvi College.
And how can y'all have a watch party without us?
Actually,
That
man.
is so unfair, first of all. That's why we wanted to bring this up. Anytime this is happening, please invite us. And also, we'll cover it. And also, we are bringing this up not because we are like some gossip podcast. We're bringing this up because it was an MMA fight.
Yeah, we are-
fighting.
We love the sport.
Yeah,
Exactly.
it's a-
combat.
We
We
think
love
it's great.
combat.
They're bringing eyes to the sport.
Yeah, exactly. The
They're
sport.
like the Jake Paul of Mumbai.
Basically, I mean, this is elite level marketing. And also,
So they are the Jake Paul of
Yeah.
Mumbai.
And we got an in-house expert on this fight. Intern he's analyzed. He came into the studio and he told me he's analyzed this fight inside out. He saw significant strikes, everything, bro. He's analyzed everything. So
Intern, what do you have to say?
It was a good fight. It was a good. Did you all see the video where Kushi? Kushi is fighting with another girl, and there's this one separating them, and she pulls her hair, and this girl just bangs into the mug.
Yes.
Wheel of the mug is so bad.
So that was a very noticeable strategy that both these ladies were using. Hair pulling. So hair pulling works when you pull the hair. Front kick.
Yeah,
works
front
well.
kick.
Hair pull, cover the eyes, slap on the head. Hair pull, take down, straight to guard. It works, bro.
Bro,
then straight
Myra
to
was
guard
a
into a
bully, bro.
triangle.
Exactly.
She almost had her in a
Yeah.
triangle.
But it seemed like an unfair fight. There was a weight difference.
Yes.
Yes.
Like
Amira should
Had a
go
few
into
pounds
the.
on her,
She
yeah.
should announce her next fight in a bigger, heavier weight class.
Yeah.
But in one of there's a video about, I don't know which one, but it was one of them fighting in the bedroom, like on
Yes.
the bed. And
That
at the
is
end of the video, like Amira just turns around to the camera
That look.
and she has the most sadistic look.
fucking
into my
scary,
eyes,
bro.
I turned my phone. It's like I can't look into these eyes, bro, like Medusa.
But Amira is scary, bro. I would not want to get on her bad
Pound for
side.
pound champ.
Yeah, and anyone wants to say this generation is fucked. Look at what they're doing. Internet has ruined them. I would like to come out and say the generation is awesome. Look how they're handling their differences.
Yeah.
Come and meet me. Let's fight and let's end this and maybe make content out
Like
of it.
grown-ups. They're
Yeah,
handling it.
Exactly. And now they're probably never going to talk about it again.
After the fight, there was another fight between the Rizvi guys and the JNS guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and apparently Rizvi guys won. Shout out to them.
Shout out to them. Shout out Rizvi guys. Were they fighting for the why wasn't that televised anywhere? And are there any videos? Can we get more information?
I don't think so. There are. Any
Next
videos?
week,
There are.
tune in.
Next
Yeah,
week we'll
next
get
week.
an update, and hopefully if this reaches that circle and anyone wants to come on the pod and give
To
their
say your-
expert
speak your
opinion
side.
and speak your side, please do come. We are entertaining anyone and everybody at this point.
But a couple more things from the fight. Amira, are you fucking dyslexic? She picked up a weapon. Apparently, those were not allowed, right?
She picked up a table off the street.
And then she was walking with a trash
Why
can.
was there a
once.
table on the
Yeah,
street?
so what was her plan with the trash can? The trash can was as big as her.
Please explain.
She was just wheeling it around everywhere. You're either going to pick that up and swing it at someone, which is very tough, or you're trying to body bag her right into the
Yeah.
trash can, straight put her in a garbage truck and take her away to the garbage dump. I don't know what is happening with that. I would love to have more insight on that.
Do you think they have like a respect for each other after they fought? Like you
For
see these,
sure.
They've been in
these
there
guys
together.
hug it out and all.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, I have so much respect for you. You're the true warrior.
So there's a 8-second video where someone has overlaid the
Clinic Plus.
Clinic Plus
When they're pulling each
voiceover.
other's hair.
Yeah. Jad se mazboot baal. Your hair is very strong. Something. That was hilarious, dude. I couldn't stop laughing.
one more thing that happened was kind of WWE-esque. So when that girl got dragged down and hit her head on the car, basically she was trying to kind of stop the fight. Like she was trying to go to Amira
Yeah.
and be like, stop. And some other girl came and ripped her. And then Kushi went, like how, you know, the divas in WWE used to distract the guys. Kushi went with that distraction and slapped her.
Amira looked unfazed through all
Yeah,
of that.
yeah.
Also,
She's a beast.
Beast.
Amira, amazing cardio. There's one part of the video where she runs 100 meters. Dog.
That was the trash can.
At the end.
She goes there and then she fucking pulls her hair, slaps her, and she's not like breathing heavy at all.
Yeah,
so
yeah, she must have done a lot of cardio and runs.
yeah, and in all this bad, there is some good that could come out of it. You have a future as a fighter. We see it in you.
Amira is the greatest fighter. The pound for pound.
All said and done, Dana White, we're trying to get your eyes on the growing sport of MMA in India.
Yeah, fuck slap fighting. Hair pulling is the new.
Hair pulling. Yeah. Why doesn't Joe Rogan talk about this new technique?
Obviously, Joe Rogan won't. Doesn't have any.
Anything else from the fight?
Even just the commentary of the guys taking the video, like they're just like, maro. It was too
There's also
good.
one moment in the video where the guy is recording and something crazy is about to happen and he switches,
he's
it,
yeah,
he switches
bro.
it to his face. What a idiot, man.
Such bad time. It's like make recording on the Paul Hughes thing. But either way, shout out to these girls for the entertainment provided. And actually, come on the show. We'll host a nice press conference. Sammy's an expert at Media Day now.
Yeah.
He'll ask the hard-hitting questions.
All your techniques you all used, how you all grabbed hair.
And you guys need to work on your trash talk a bit more.
Maybe we can
The
also
only
learn
thing I
something
heard
from
was,
that.
you think you can do shit to me? That's the only thing I heard. We need some more trash talk.
And she said no.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. And then so she said, are you going to talk shit? Something. And then
Are you going to do shit?
Are you going to do shit? And then she said no. And then she went on to slap her again and again. What did I say? What did I say to you? And the other girl was like, no.
But yeah, shout out to the ladies.
We can have Amira versus Kushi too. So.
So Nidish has just suggested that we have Amira versus Kushi 2. We are more than happy to host it. Octagon, boxing ring, whatever y'all are comfortable in. A triangle even, because I mean hair pulling is a new art, and for that we might need a new ring.
Yeah, we have the budget to build a new
Anything,
ring,
if we can
fence,
get enough-
cage, anything.
We can get enough eyes. We'll do it here outside the studio itself.
On the turf.
Penthouse.
On the turf.
Penthouse.
Royal Rumble.
But that will be amazing if we can pull that off.
Yeah. Shut up, man. What entertainment, yeah.
And honestly, they should, because right now they're popping off, so they should capitalize on this. So
Exactly,
Same.
bro. For
Yeah.
our sakes.
And this is all this news is per WhatsApp, just by the way.
And Instagram.
And Instagram. Lafda Vlogs.
Lafda Vlogs,
Shout out.
shout
What a
out.
page.
Shout out. So all this information's already there. Please do not text us for any videos or
Lafda
further
Vlog
information.
Has gone from filming in villages to Chopar-Battis to Jamnawari to JNS, bro. That's sick. Look at the fucking upward growth of them. Hopefully we can do that also. Okay.
Are we making our picks?
FPL first.
No, but we have to do this or that, right?
Oh, this or that. Yeah. This or that. Mix this or that.
Mix.
From our
You
analysis.
Zero opinion.
wait, so am I choosing like who won?
Amira or Kushi? Just in general.
Just, I mean, it's pretty clear in what Mix read that Kushi lost the fight. She
Yeah,
was like
but-
bleeding and shit, apparently.
I'm gonna go for Kushi because I think she has the story arc left to go.
Oh, the
I
comeback.
think she's gonna come back stronger against the bigger person. All odds against her, so I'm gonna go Kushi.
In turn.
Yeah. I think Amira won clearly. Yeah.
But who do you pick? Like, who's your who touched your soul?
Oh, no. Don't.
Nobody
No.
touched my soul.
Who
No
do you
one
pick?
touched your
That's
soul.
it.
Okay, fine.
Amira.
Assuming Amira is the woman who looked straight into the camera
Yes.
with those devious eyes,
Medusa.
I have to pick Amira, otherwise she'll come and beat me up, and I am absolutely terrified of her.
Go suck off Dhruv.
We should have done this or that. Amira, Kushi, all of us should have picked Dhruv.
Nowhere to be seen in the
Dhruv,
Mike.
By the way, Dhruv is nowhere to be seen in the fight.
Dhruv,
Yeah, where is Dhruv? Who is this?
Dhruv, if you want someone to do your PR, please come here.
Yeah.
Please reach out. Please
yeah.
reach out to us.
Give us the honest truth, finally. But yeah, Myra, bro. You see that? Fucking skills, man. You gotta promote the fighters, and she has the skills and the looks. The
I wanna
scary
buy.
looks.
The scary eyes,
I'm on
dog.
Khushi's side. We'll get him next time.
Aziz can be her corner man.
Yeah.
It'll be fucking epic.
Okay.
Entertainment. But it made my week, bro. We heard about this last week. Yesterday. I've not stopped thinking about it since then.
This video came to all of us like 2 weeks ago. Sammy and Tana didn't get it.
Yeah, we
They
just
got very
found
Just
out about
got
fucking
it.
very
share it with
upset.
us, bro. It's a sport we cover.
Yeah, MMA.
It's part of the
dog.
job.
We're trying to grow the game, grow the pod. That's bad job on you, Zia.
Yeah, legit.
My
Legit.
fault.
Football, FPL, mix, we got a problem. This thing is getting fucking heavy, bro.
We are going to start
Listen
making you,
to this.
we are going to start making you put your pocket money into this, huh?
Yeah.
My mind.
They've
We
not made a
heard-
change in 5 weeks.
I know.
We've heard
I've
See,
given
it's-
up.
Please.
we've heard from your mom that your pocket money is 250. 200 will go in this. 50 rupees you can
Okay,
keep
cool,
for your
cool.
lunch money.
Okay.
How much is pocket?
I don't get pocket money.
GPay straight.
Money whenever he wants.
But this, before the game week starts, sit on live, make the changes with the wild card. It's happening.
Finally.
Hell or high water, it's happening.
It's happening.
It's
We'll
happening.
do it. We'll do it.
So
Okay.
come up with a good strategy for us, please.
After BGT, we'll do it. After the first test, we'll do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why after the games are this weekend? Eh?
So you want to do it like in the
Right
next-
before that, yeah, it doesn't
Today
Do you
matter.
have-
tomorrow?
I think this will be best
have-
because otherwise then
You
I
have
go to
school
exams, so it
Thursday,
might be-
Friday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you
Okay.
can do it.
You have
Or
school tomorrow.
Saturday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
school till evening, no? After that,
After-
school, no?
Saturday the first game that's
talking to-
Saturday first
6
game
PM.
6.
Yeah.
Oh, Saturday during the day.
Yeah, we can try doing it earlier in the day.
Cool.
The deadline was shut by 4:30.
Yeah. Work Saturday.
We'll stream it live somewhere.
You're not there.
And he'll
It's
do
okay.
na.
I just do it. I mean, Mix is going to make most of the decisions. That's why we are in this hole in the first place.
Wait, so last week you all didn't put in? Oh, you all did put in.
We did. Last week was also
International
international
break.
game.
No, like the last.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
did.
we
Yeah,
did.
you all did put in. I was trying to remember.
Which
Chodu.
Don't mumble. Continue.
Premier picks for this week. As you guys can see, we haven't even acknowledged that Sattu is missing because of some phlegm and mucus issues.
Yeah, shit.
I
He's
don't know.
missed out on a good one.
He just looked like he came on a rag and sent us a picture saying, "Look,
That
at
was
what has
disgusting. Sattu, please do not
Yeah.
do that ever again. I was
happened."
very
Yeah, just
confused.
do it in a tissue, bro.
Yeah.
Just tell
Or
us.
just say you're sick.
We believe
Send
you.
us a video.
Or get a doctor's note.
So Sammy and I lost the quiz for our 50th episode, so we decided that Zeus and Sattu will get to make our premier picks for this week.
Let's delay it a week and let's do it when Sattu's here.
Sure.
Think
Good
that's-
idea.
Yeah.
Sattu's picks, can anyone pull that up?
Sattu is not pick. Mix is making his picks, no?
No, but he sent it in the boys. I guess if you do your homework,
I'm
then
gonna see how close I can get to Sattu's.
we don't have that much time.
No, just say his picks.
I have them, yeah.
Yeah, just show it to him.
Okay, City versus Spurs. What did Sattu pick? Mix, you can say.
Sattu picked City, and I completely believe that.
Of course.
Oh, I'm gonna go for City as well.
I'm
They
gonna
have
go
bad run of fixtures, so I think they're gonna bounce back.
Yeah,
Break
Spurs are looking weak. Looks like they have a lot of trouble. There are a lot of problems. Spurs players have come out against Postecoglou. That's what people are saying in the media. So dressing room is looking like in kind of a disarray. I'm going to go with City.
Wasn't Postecoglou the best manager in the world at the start of the season?
Apparently, mate.
Last season
Apparently,
also.
mate. He said mate too many times and everyone fell in love with him. Now, I guess it's getting too much for them.
Spurs always do well against City. I'm going for a draw. City is not looking like a great team right now either.
But no.
I think the problem is we have a bit of a centre back crisis. Ruben Diaz and John Stones, I don't think are back for this week. Ake might be back, so I think it's going to be Akanji, Ake, Guardiola, and Rico Lewis or Walker.
Doesn't seem like you'll have a centre back crisis at all.
He named 6 players.
Our next,
We cannot replace him.
There
our
are 3
next-
centre backs
our
in that.
next
In that,
option
in that
what is that dude's
I
name?
hate them. I hate them.
How is he complaining
No.
about?
I
And
hate
how is he
them.
saying centre back crisis?
Our backup option is Simpson Pussy.
What the
You're not
fuck did
allowed
you
to
say?
say that word.
Okay, sure. It's a name, not my fault. It's like saying Fakhar Zaman.
Yeah, they're at the top of his head. He used to go around calling people fuckers a month. He was not allowed.
Zeus, you saw his reaction.
No.
Like Zeus, come on. I'm
But-
older than that.
I'm going for a draw. Leicester versus Chelsea.
Yeah, sensible pick, Chelsea.
Yeah. I'm going Chelsea, of course.
I'm going Chelsea too.
Chelsea, of course.
You know, not 5 out of 5 draws this week.
Fire run. Arsenal versus Forest.
Arsenal again, sensible pick because they're at home.
Yeah, I'm going Arsenal also. Actually, no.
You can't do
No,
that.
no
You
one
can't
else.
do
No one
that.
else.
You
said
can't do
anything.
that. You
I'm
can't
going
do
for
that.
a draw. Nottingham doing well. Arsenal also obviously doing well, but I think Nottingham will get that.
Fair enough. I'm dreading this game. I do not want to watch it. It's going to be. Yeah, I think Zeus is right. I think it might be a draw, but in good conscience, I cannot go for a draw. I'm going to go for an Arsenal thumping.
Don't say it in good conscience because you have done it.
They're
before.
going to cut
Yeah.
the forest down. They're going to deforest Nottingham Forest. Yeah,
please.
sorry,
Relax,
sorry.
relax.
Reuse,
Just because
recycle.
Trump is there.
Reuse, recycle. Is he against fracking or for fracking?
He doesn't believe in.
And does fracking? I don't yet know what fracking is, but that's always a campaign point that they run on. Something to do with oil, and it somehow affects the environment. If an environmental specialist wants to come on, talk about it a little more, don't come on. Continue.
Arsenal Forest, I'm going for a draw, of course.
So Sattu and I went win.
Arsenal.
We went draw.
Cool. Damn,
What is
bro.
like Arsenal's injury situation? How many
In-
people are out?
I think Calafiori is out. I think Ben White is out. So we have a
So
wing
your
back.
defense is
Odegaard's
shit.
back?
Odegaard is back.
So Tomiyasu will have to play.
Like you said, y'all have a centre back crisis. We have a wing back.
crisis. Yeah.
They have
Full
a
back
crisis.
crisis.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are
Manager
in a crisis. No, please.
Too soon.
Absolutely
Too
not.
soon.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Don't say.
Zinchenko, what an
He's
idiot,
on
bro.
fraud watch.
He's getting too much time on the
I
bench.
honestly think.
Guess. Who has 2 and guess who has 1?
Ten Hag has one.
What are you all talking about?
No, Ten Hag has two.
2 trophies.
Carabao.
Arteta has one.
Arteta has
One
1.
trophy.
5 years.
5 years.
Arteta
5
has
years.
2 trophies, by
5
the way.
years. Okay, community
2
shield,
trophies.
relax.
Yeah,
No,
so
no.
that is 2-2.
Two
Are you
trophies.
mad?
2 trophies. 2 trophies. Community Shield. 2 trophies.
Wow, bro.
It is.
Arsenal counts community shields, bro. Round of
Thank
applause
you.
for that.
So whatever you did was
No,
wrong.
no,
Whatever
no.
these 2
No, no,
fingers,
great,
one
great.
finger you were holding
Great,
up
great,
was
great.
incorrect.
Great.
5 years.
Your
5
facts
years.
are incorrect.
Imagine 5
You're
years.
wearing
I
a
was
Sporting
joking like
Lisbon.
2 years,
Imagine 5
You're wearing a
Imagine
Sporting
5
Lisbon
years.
jersey,
5
celebrating
years.
Amorim coming in, and you're celebrating Ten Hag. Where are your
No,
loyalties?
I just said he did better than your guy.
He did not.
He
2
did.
trophies each.
Your guy is
If he
number
did-
one bullshit guy.
If he did better than my guy, he wouldn't have been fired. And
No,
you would have
yeah.
been excited about
But
each and every
the
game going into the weekend.
The expectations
You
of
haven't
United
watched
are
Premier
much
League
higher.
Curse of United.
The expectations of United are much higher than your small ass club.
Okay.
Community Shield is all they need.
Staying out of the relegation zone is
Champions
much
League,
higher.
how many?
Is much
Champions League,
higher
Champions League, how many?
than going for the trophy. Clearly, our expectations are
Me?
much
Fucking
lower than
Forest has a Champions League in this fixture. I forgot.
yours. 2-2.
2. Right? 2.
Brian Clough legend. Continue.
Ipswich versus United.
What a
Sattu's
fucking
gone draw.
useless conversation.
Shoot.
But I think United will win. Amram's cooking in his first game.
I'm
Cooking.
I'm going United as well. First
Yeah.
game, he couldn't have got an easier first game. New manager bounce, like we've been saying.
Yeah, new manager bounce.
I don't think Sattu listens.
I think Sattu had to make a big play, so he went for the draw over there. I'm going to go for United. And I think Liam Delap is going to score 1 goal at least.
No one asked, but okay.
No, bet on it. Whatever the odds are. Minus 3,000.
How much
Go
ever
for
It
have,
won't be minus.
It won't.
even if I've picked United, I really hope they lose. It'll be so funny, bro.
And then he'll come again. He'll be like, how many did Ten Hag win?
Yeah, but that won't
Still
change
don't-
that.
still
Yeah,
That is
don't
still
that-
about
true.
it won't change
That
the
is still
fact.
true.
The
It's
truth is
true.
2-2, not
Yeah,
2-1.
2-2 is terrible, bro.
Yeah, it's terrible.
How is it
And it's
terrible?
2-1. A community shield is not a trophy.
You
No,
were
real.
just saying 2 minutes ago it's a trophy.
No, I was
Community
being
Shield is for
How
sarcastic.
can you do
clowns.
flip-flop?
I was being sarcastic.
I don't.
It's worse than the
I
Carabao
never
Cup.
understand sarcasm.
What did you say? Mix?
It's worse than the Carabao Cup.
Exactly.
It's terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah, it is
Continue.
worse than the Carabao. It's one game. It's not
Continue,
counting.
continue. Mix was born yesterday.
And
What
it's
does
a
he know?
It's a pre-season game, bro. What the fuck?
That is true.
That is true.
It's my fault they scheduled it
So
before the
Emirates Cup
season.
also count now
So count.
in your fucking cabinet.
Why not?
So count.
Have you all won? Have you all won any Emirates Cups? No, you want to go there? Then let's go there. 0.
I'm not asking you to
0.
yell about your Champions Leagues. Just saying.
Good one. Continue, man. I don't want to. I hate getting into this argument again and again.
Because you're losing.
Yeah.
What is Atana going to spend 25 years at Arsenal as a player and manager and not win anything?
He won 2 FA Cups as a captain of the club. What are you saying?
That's terrible, bro.
He
Wasn't he
won
captain
something.
for like
I'm just
8
saying,
years?
y'all state all these facts which are incorrect. He was not the captain for 8 years. But y'all state all these
He's
incorrect
not a
facts.
good leader, no, that's
How
why.
long was he in the team?
I'm
At
going to
least
stop
8
listening to
years?
you.
Was he Arsenal for
Yeah,
8
I'm going to
years?
stop listening to you.
Yeah. He's not talking to
Mix,
the
talk in the mic,
Yeah,
dog.
bro, you know this. I'm obviously going for United. I'm predicting 4-1.
Okay, y'all are away from home. Calm down.
mic. Calm down.
Meg, next time, can you give Mix earphones so that whenever he talks, he can hear himself so that he is also cognizant? Continue.
Cognizant means aware.
Next game.
Okay, next game.
Southampton was Liverpool.
Liverpool, let's move
Easy pick.
So,
Southampton.
Don't yell at me.
Fuck
So Liverpool. And then Everton, Brentford.
on.
I didn't even make my pick.
Move on, mix and move on.
Come on.
Who do you want to go for?
So I was thinking about
Yeah,
this and I'm
think
just
hard.
going Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Liverpool,
make a
move
pick.
on.
Liverpool.
He's yelling at me, bro. I'm getting scared.
Brentford, Everton. Satto's
Everton,
on
Brentford.
Brentford. I think
Yes.
it's sensible, but I could see Everton maybe snatching 3 points.
3
Snatching.
points.
I mean,
Calm
that's what
down.
you get for a win.
Calm down, it's Everton.
I know, but Brentford have been
Sarcasm.
good. Brand Mbeumo's been on fire.
I will go for Brentford also. I think it could be a draw, but I don't think it could be a draw.
All said and done, it's going to be an amazing game. It's going to be goals galore. Hopefully, it doesn't turn out to be a 1-0 after all that I've said. But I'm going to go for a 2-2 draw.
Brentford to win.
I have to go at least
Now
one
they're
draw.
not 2-2. If it's 1-all, you don't get the
Yeah,
points.
it's 0 points.
No, I'm just saying goals
No,
galore.
you said
No, no, 0
2-all.
points,
You
yeah,
said
yeah.
2-all.
Goals.
0
so, okay,
points.
so then if I
You
get
said
2-2 draw,
2-all. You get
I
2
get 4
points.
points.
You
You
get
get 2
2 points.
I get
You
4
get
No
2
one's asking
points.
for this
I get
extra
4
You get 2
points.
points.
I get 4
This
points.
You
guy's-
get 2 points.
I get 4 points.
You get 2.
This show's about sharing your opinion. If the prediction of the score is sharing my opinion, I all mad. I all actually restarted.
He's like the fucking. He's like the fucking kid in school. I wrote an extra sentence in my
Yeah.
answer. Can I get
That's
1
an extra
point,
point.
teacher?
I
Shit.
never asked for a point. Y'all are like, we are going to deduct the points.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I never
Because you
asked
were
for an extra point.
because you were being
Again, just
oversmart.
putting words in my mouth.
2-2. What is 2-2? What is 2-2?
2-2 draw.
Okay, finally, we're here. Bought a Gavaskar trophy.
Boo.
These fuckers didn't tell me the
I didn't
India.
get the memo.
I didn't get the memo.
We pretty much knew it was a BGT episode.
BGT.
It's a Amarim episode.
I've been saying
featuring
BGT.
Ten
No
Hag.
one mentioned him yet. We mentioned Ten Hag, but no Amarim.
You said new manager bounce,
New
so
manager bounce.
Amarim. Mix, any thoughts on the Border Gavaskar trophy?
Yeah, so it's starting on the 22nd.
Remember what you said for the India versus New Zealand test series in
Remember-
India.
remind the
and
viewers.
Remember what happened. This guy said New Zealand are a bunch of jokers and clowns.
When we said don't take them so lightly, he laughed at us.
He laughed at us. He said, "Move on from this."
Yeah.
He laughed at us like a clown himself.
Yeah.
And,
And,
look
turned
at what
out
has
to be the
happened.
clown.
and India lost 0-3
Yeah.
3-0.
against fucking New Zealand
Yeah,
at
and-
home.
and
we
yeah,
went to
you
Wankhede
also-
and wasted 3 days
Yeah,
of our
and I-
lives.
So we
and
can
I
blame
expected
Mix.
Rohit Sharma to be this
one
bad.
minute mix. Do you want to apologize to the viewers for leading them
And to
astray?
us.
Absolutely not.
And
And
giving
to us,
and to
bro.
us
I'm
for
sorry,
laughing
that
at
was
us.
one of the worst
For being
displays of
rude and
captaincy
bullying
I've
us.
ever. No, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
but that's your. But
That's terrible. That was not called for from Rohit Sharma. That
Absolutely
was
not.
horrid.
So
Horrid.
absolutely not. We got beaten by clowns.
Brother, if
Brother,
India
don't-
get
don't
destroyed
brother
in
me
this series, Rohit's going out of test match captaincy, Kambi's getting sacked.
So he's having another baby.
So it's everyone's fault but yours.
Yes. Because I did not expect. Who told him to bat first in that game?
Who
There
told
was
you to
no
call them
reason.
clowns?
That's one match.
Who told you to call
So
them
we
clowns?
lost that first match.
Batch.
And then we had 2 more to play.
And that thing went downhill from there.
Okay, so Kohli
I
played shit
hate
because
this
Rohit
stupid
picked to bat.
blaming
Yeah,
one person,
batting in the
man. It's
first.
just ridiculous.
No, I'm saying it's majority Rohit's fault. Everyone has performed badly. Kohli was terrible. Yashasvi Jaiswal didn't do that much.
Hey.
No, Mix, you're being ridiculous.
They're
now.
trying to groom you into
He
a
had like
man.
2 good innings
Don't
out of
say the
6,
K
dude.
word.
This
No,
guy
they're trying to groom you.
This
No,
guy
no,
was
like-
like future.
we're trying to
Time out, pause.
we're trying to give you we're trying to make an environment for you where you like you know what the principles of being a man is. One of them is taking it on the chest
Sarfaraz
and
Khan might
owning
be
your
a-
mistakes.
Sarfaraz Khan might be the biggest nutcase I've seen.
Not because I've seen.
29 for 4. You need 120 runs. My dude's going slog sweeping.
This was like actually like Dana, bro. He was trying to explain something. John. Sarfaraz is an idiot. Rohit Sharma. But actually, you have to own up to your mistakes in
Yeah.
life.
Fine, I agree.
Your
Maybe
take was wrong.
I underestimated New Zealand. That was my mistake. But
Next
that
time
was
you will.
terrible from India.
Yeah,
That was
we all
100%.
agree.
We
We all
agree.
That was not called for at all. It's not like we played. Rohit
When
was-
is losing ever called for?
Oh, yeah.
But
BIS.
losing like that was never called for. Never. No one on this planet. If you thought New Zealand was beating India 3-0, you're lying to yourself.
No
We
one
did.
thought
No,
that.
yeah, but
we didn't
nobody
think it'd be
else-
as
They
easy
call
as you
clowns
thought
and
it would be.
idiots and fools and that.
Yeah,
You were
but
respectful.
I think India suffered overconfidence from what happened versus Sri Lanka. Like
Because
they-
of fans like you.
Yeah,
They
you
got-
suffered overconfidence.
Yes, I did. That's what happens. Bro. If a team gets 88 all out versus Sri Lanka in their house, you expect India to go thrash them. It's common knowledge. I mean, I don't expect more.
So we're a worse test cricketing nation than Sri Lanka right now.
No, because like the test match, like the way it's working right now is very different. Like Pakistan went from dropping their 3 best players to beating England. It's ridiculous. It's
So-
all in whack.
Why don't
All
we
in
do
whack.
that?
So do you want to apologize to anyone?
Sorry, New Zealand, for underestimating you, but you're
And the
answering.
He had
viewers.
such a good opportunity.
Yeah, bro.
man.
You had the opportunity.
He had the
I want to
opportunity.
take this chance. So apologize. You don't know the rest of the line.
He was
Absolutely no.
nobody.
he was 8,
Double
bro,
check
back
does
then.
what the
Yeah.
fuck he wants.
Okay. Now that series is done, we're here. Madagascar, biggest test series.
Yes.
The only test
Second,
series that
but okay.
ever matters.
Yes. Second?
World Test.
Ashes is a bigger series. Let's.
But who cares about Ashes,
Bro,
bro?
please.
No, no one in
Who
India.
cares about England?
Horrible.
They ruled us for 300 years, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck
I
him.
love them.
That's why he voted.
So what do you like?
He voted for them to come back.
I voted for Boris.
Imperialism. Okay.
What
What
do
are
you
your
think about
thoughts,
first?
predictions, whatever you have to say
Should we
about
all
the
just give a
World
serious
Yeah.
predictions first?
Let's wait for that.
Till the end?
Yeah,
end?
let's give the
Okay.
prediction at the
Predictions
end.
at the end.
Makes sense.
Retention.
Okay, so we can start with Australia's first test squad. Only 13 players have been selected for now. I believe there's going to be one more practice match in Canberra, maybe. I think after the first test, so they might pick the rest of the squad from there. Cameron Green has gotten a back injury. He's gotten surgery, so he's unavailable for the series. And Smith has been moved back to number 4, officially confirmed by George Bailey. So
Steve Smith was opening for the longest time because David Warner.
Okay, not longest time, 4 matches, but okay, that's fine.
Can I complete? Can I complete my sentence?
Okay.
For the longest time because David Warner retired and they were trying to fill in that opening position, and now they've sent him back to number 4. And who's opening now?
So there were 4 options from the India vs Australia Test series. 2 were proven in Marcus Harris and Bancroft. They had played before.
Yes.
And there were 2 new guys. One named Nathan McSweeney and one named Sam Costas. They've picked Nathan McSweeney for this
Who the
series.
fuck is that guy?
Whoever he is, I love his name and he should totally be opening.
Now, Australia have 2 ways to line up because they've also selected Josh Inglis. So either Travis
Who is
Head now.
Josh Inglis?
He's a wicketkeeper from
Exactly.
Australia. So he's like, I think he's the new T20 wicketkeeper now permanently.
New or permanently?
Permanently, he
For the-
just, he just replaced Alex Carey into the T20.
For the longest time.
For the longest time.
So they could either put him in the middle and make Travis Head open, or make Travis Head stay in the middle and put Nathan McSweeney up top.
Travis Head usually comes like 4 down for Australia, no? In test
3
matches.
down. Yeah, 3 down.
3-4 down. I mean, it doesn't matter who cares about the Australian team, to be honest.
Legit. Give us some
They-
real analysis.
I mean, the
Quite
only one to
honestly-
look out for is going to be Nathan McSweeney, the only name that we don't recognize, literally.
Okay, so time for India's team.
He doesn't let you
I don't
talk,
care.
bro. He's not gonna let you talk.
Sammy
Next,
can't
let him
speak today.
finish his
Have you
thoughts.
have
bro.
you
Sorry.
watched Nathan McSweeney
No.
bat at all?
No.
Do you know anything else about him?
No.
Okay, continue.
Okay, 19-man squad from India. Rohit Sharma and Shami will be traveling after the first test match for the second. So
Oh, I thought after the second test match.
no, first.
Oh.
So from what I've been reading on the news now, India's playing 11 should look like this.
Bumrah's going to be captain, right? So
Yes.
Yes.
Bumrah will be
I'm
the
very
starting
excited
captain.
about that. But continue. After
Yes,
So
sir.
the team will be
Don't say anything. Don't
KL
interrupt
Rahul.
him. Don't stop it.
KL Rahul,
Jassi
Yashasvi
Bhatt.
Jaiswal, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Rishabh Pant, Dhruv Jurel, Nitish Kumar
Love it.
Reddy, only spinner Ashwin.
Ashwin or Jadeja, it's not confirmed yet. But
Is
it's
it
looking
only
like
going to be
Ashwin.
one spinner?
If you
It's
read
looking like
it's
Ashwin.
One spinner?
Yeah, it's going to be a
It's
one
going to be a
spinner, which
fast
is
track.
Australian. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be Bumrah, Siraj, and most likely Akashdeep. So you got some new debutants in.
No,
Nitish
it's
Kumar
going to be
Reddy.
Harshit Rana.
It could be either one of them.
I hope
I've seen both.
I hope it's Harshit Rana. Remember, we saw him warm up like a madman
yeah.
during the New Zealand series.
I think he deserves
Every-
a debut, but I don't know if you want to put him
Let him talk.
into Australia.
Sorry.
Sorry.
No,
what?
continue. It's
Okay. There's
your
also
show
this
now.
one top
Take
order. There's this one top order batsman named Abhimanyu Iswarian, who could get
Yes.
a chance, but it's looking unlikely.
Why
now.
did he get named to the squad? Has he done well?
I don't think Padikkal was meant to be a part of the squad. So I think Rahul was going to bat at 3.
And I know you
And
love
he-
KL Rahul.
Yeah.
say he's a clown. And he'll do damn well. Say he's a clown.
Yeah, say he's a clown.
Say KL Rahul is
Say
a
it.
clown.
KL Rahul's a clown.
Yes.
Yeah.
But do you believe it?
Yes.
Thank God.
I think overall I see the series being an interesting one, but I think India's going to may find it tough to bounce back after the New Zealand series. We need like big guns to fire, so we need Kohli, Shubman. Shubman's fractured his finger.
Is he going to make a return
That's
at any point?
not confirmed yet. So he's out of the first test for sure. It's not confirmed about his status for the second one and onwards. Sarfaraz Khan also I think has suffered an injury. But
Thank God.
Yeah, he's not playing. Dhruv
Yeah.
Jurel has looked more, he's looked better.
He's looked
especially-
so good in the practice
The
games. He's looked
A
so
matches, The
consistent.
entire team batted terribly, except Padikkal was decent and Dhruv Jurel was excellent.
He made 100 and then he was not out in a couple other games. He's just been phenomenal.
So what I think India is going to be doing is something very similar to what Australia do at full strength, which is have 3 primary pace bowlers, 1 spinner, and then Nitish Kumar Reddy will be like a fill-in 5th bowler. So like Cameron Green would bowl for Australia, he's going to like come in and bowl some
He
overs
can
for
bat
India.
as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
He's
really good
he's
batsman.
mainly a batsman. He's not really supposed to be. He's a batting all-rounder.
Who, Dhruv Jurel?
No,
Nitish
no,
Kumar
Dhruv
Reddy.
Jurel is a
Yeah,
wicket
wicket
keeper.
Dhruv Jurel is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
keeper.
But he has been, that's what you're saying. He's
But
been batting so well in the
Punt will
practice
keep,
game.
bro. Let's
of
go.
course.
We need that India team. We need Kohli on. Like he needs to be talking
Steroids.
with
Yeah.
fuck the bat, fuck
Yeah.
that bat. So he needs to literally be in Australia's head. We need to feel like Australia are playing.
Bro, Australia have been. My bad. Continue.
Interruption.
You got it wrong today.
Go.
I'm just saying we need to make them feel like they're playing in India.
You're right.
Rishabh,
You're
Rishabh
100%
Pant's
right.
banter will be
Mixed talk, bro. Fuck these guys.
Continue.
Rishabh Pant's banter is going to be hilarious.
Yeah. We need that. We need
Let's
it.
go.
Yeah, the-
So I am scared that Virat Kohli is not going to be like that because the Aussie media has been sucking him off for this
hard.
entire lead up to the BGT. They've been using him as the face of the series to promote it. And it's actually kind of sad to see. I want to see the opposite because all the previous test matches when we've gone there and won, they've been insulting Kohli, taking the team lightly. This time they're like, oh damn, if Kohli pops off, we might just lose this series. They're giving him too much respect. Abuse him a little bit. Kohli, I hate you. You're going to lose. I'm only saying this because to make you angry, I don't actually believe it. But someone clip this and show it to him.
If we can get like 100 in the first test, that would be brilliant.
Yeah.
Because we've seen it in like these Australian players are literally they're terrified of Virat Kohli. They say you can do anything, but you
Virat.
can't beat him.
Virat.
I call him Virat now. Get used to it. He's Virat Kohli. But yeah, if he comes out firing first test, that's what we need. If he has and he's been in bad form, so it might be a lot to ask. But form is temporary, class is permanent. So
I'm excited to see the batsmen at 5, 6, and 7. Punt, Jurel, and
Yes.
Nitish Kumar. Like, Punt played well out of everyone against
Against
New Zealand and India.
He's been the only one in good touch.
Yeah, he played fast. He played well. He's entertaining. Gave us hope on that last day
Yes.
at Wankhede. And then,
Dhruv
like you
Jurel.
said, Dhruv Jurel has been playing really well.
Dude,
in
watching
the-
him bat is very technically sound. Just watching him bat, he reminds me a lot of Kohli. That's why I probably like him so much.
Okay, not fully of Kohli, but he's
How dare you?
no, he's a phenomenal
Are you the
player.
fucking Australian media?
But I think at the number 6 position, we honestly have nothing to lose because no one has shown any signs of promise. Sarfaraz Khan made at 150.
KL.
What a sigh.
Okay, let's move on.
KL probably heard that in Australia.
I heard he apparently made 100 in the recent practice.
Practice match! That is the most stunning thing ever.
Are we talking about practice?
Practice match. Oh my god. KL Rahul at number 6 is a clown. It's so stupid because when
So
the
he's
runs,
better opening.
like he could be better. I think he is better actually from what I've seen because we in the first test when we needed those runs after Kohli made us 70, after Sarfaraz made us 150, Pant made us 99. This guy was not able to score. He got it for like 10 or something. It's so dumb and he needed to score like a 50 on that day. The day he needs to perform, he cannot play under pressure. So I think opening is more free because there's no situation of the game decided. So he's allowed to like play how he wants. But my problem I see here is if someone like Padikkal performs and Rohit comes back, what do you do? Like Rohit's been badly out of form. Not only just as a batsman, but as a captain as well.
Rohit will walk into the squad.
plays, Kohli
Yeah.
sits. What else?
But they,
Okay,
but
cool.
realistically,
that's your opinion. You can just stick to that.
Rohit walks into the squad and they'll just shove.
This is on fire today. I'm getting a little scared.
I'm angry like how Kohli should in fucking Australia.
Next, he's the captain. They'll put him in and they'll just shuffle the squad around the batting lineup around him.
Yeah.
And I don't think India's going to win the first test.
Oh, I'd be shocked.
5-0.
So
Okay, he's gone mad.
I read a article about the pitch. The curator had an interview. His name is Isaac McDonald. He's only 27 years old. People are calling him the young gun in charge of the famous Perth pitch. And he said, I like a fast and a furious pitch. I don't give a fuck what anyone else is going to say. I'm going to make this pitch rocking. And just because of that, I don't think we have like the pace bowlers. Except for
What he just
Bumrah.
baited everyone,
Jassi
bro.
bhai.
He just
What
makes
if he
a
just-
full turning pitch. We have only pace bowlers.
But
but
this
it's gonna
guy
help.
is a legend, by the way. He's has stats all over. I would love to get him on the show, ask him some questions about making pitches. Just absolutely love him. But continue, Mix.
Yeah, Australia. I think it's very obvious with the team they're going to play. There's going to be Cummins, Hazelwood, Stark in the bowling. I am terrified of the bowling.
Yeah, the pitch is going to favor them so much.
I'm not that scared of Australia's batting because I think everyone, like on paper, has just been out of form in terms of test matches. So, like Smith has not been threatening for the past since he started opening. He's just not.
But
been
he's not
threatening.
opening anymore. Right?
Marnus Labuschagn's not looked as good as he was like
Labuschagne
5
was
years
saying-
ago.
Labuskagani.
No run.
Labuschagne was saying he's going to try to do what Pujara did to them a few years ago. Whatever.
Pujara will be
Bat
commentating,
for-
by the way.
Yeah.
You think Marnus Labuschagne has the skills to bat 400
I don't think so.
balls?
He said it, yaar.
Yeah, I
You
think he does.
so or what? Are
I
you
think
mad?
I do think Labuschagne has the skills. I think he's
Also,
an
please
excellent,
bring
excellent
back,
batsman.
please,
scary.
please,
Sorry, I'll
batsmen,
reframe.
bring back padding. Pad the ball more in Test cricket. We saw zero padding of the ball in the Indian Test match against New Zealand.
Not Rishabh Pant, everyone else do.
Everyone else do.
Everyone else has to
Yeah.
pad the ball. I was just watching a compilation of Cheteshwar Pujara just padding the ball again and again and again, and so beautiful to watch.
Sorry, what exactly is padding?
Padding the ball, bro. Just
Oh,
when
just like it's
outside
touches
the
your
line,
pad.
just
Okay,
If the ball
okay.
pitches like outside,
I
like
know.
you
and just
Outside
and
leg,
just
yeah,
kill
yeah,
the ball
okay.
there.
There's no chance
and then they
of-
have to bowl it on
I
your
know what
bat.
you're talking about.
So do that. Kill it, like ruins the bowler's full mood, bro. Anyone just comes out and fucking just stomps on it.
I don't know what has happened between the selectors and Pujara because I do not see a reason why to just not take him for this series. He's going to be vital, I feel, in Australia and they've just not taken him.
Yeah, I would have loved to see Pujara also.
Same.
They
should just have him as a BGT specialist. Don't play the entire
he's
year.
in the
Just
Hindi,
come.
He's in the Hindi commentary.
Yeah, that I said that.
He's not listening to any of us, bro.
My bad, sorry.
Can you tell me more about Padikkal, bro? Is he going to be good? Is he going to be bad? What can we expect from him?
I have zero opinion about Padikkal right now.
Same.
He's
I was
the
trying
original-
to,
In
DDP.
T20s, he's looked very shaky in IPL. And
except for the 2020 season where
He
he was
killed it.
awesome.
minus that start
Yeah.
with RCB he's looked horrible because
Yeah.
the second he was moved out of opening, he's like not looked as good as he was. I cannot judge him based on Australia A, India A series.
Clown or not a clown?
Not a clown yet.
Post BGT clown.
We should have a recurring segment
clown
with
or
Mix.
So instead of this or that, when Mix comes out, you do clown or
Yeah. So I also don't have too much of an opinion on him just because I haven't seen him play Test cricket. I was hoping you would. So I did some more research. I saw his Instagram, and
best source of info.
yeah,
Instagram.
From his Instagram, seems like he's a bit distracted. If you go on his Instagram and scroll around a little bit, kind of fuckboy vibes, not gonna lie. He said his last or second to last post was life beyond the 22 yards, and it was him chilling on the beach, posting him walking into the water. I'm just saying, if he doesn't perform, I'm not going to criticize him now, but if he doesn't perform,
Clown.
very low-hanging fruit for everyone to just jump on his back.
They-
By the looks of it,
You should be obsessed with cricket at this
This is
point
his only
going
game
into it.
to shine, because I think Rohit will come back, and unfortunately I think Rahul's going to move to 3 once Rohit comes back, if Gill is not fit yet.
We're talking about distractions. Where is Riyan Parag?
YouTube.
Brother, we're talking test.
Wait. How much of a fuckboy is Padikkal? Were 2 girls fighting over him or no?
Is his name Dhruv Padikkal?
Sorry, sorry.
Dhruv Jurel.
Devdutt.
Devdutt.
Imagine it comes out that it was Dhruv Jurel. Then it makes sense, bro. Why they're fighting like that? These guys have got gold, bro.
I
That
actually
would be
want
very
to
fucked, but if that happened.
imagine
obviously.
Dhruv is like, is he the chill guy? You know have you seen the dog meme? Is Dhruv the dog?
What is this dog
Is he
meme,
the
man?
dog?
When did it come up? I've been seeing it.
Yesterday, it showed up on my timeline yesterday.
Same, yes.
It came out
It's
like a week ago.
Can you explain it?
What?
Like
Explain
the
to the
chill guy
folks.
meme?
There is one thing, I don't know. It's just like
I'm a chill guy.
mystery thing. Yeah, I don't know what it means. I think it's just the relation to the name Dhruv. I think they've gone off the name Dhruv is
No.
The dog. You know the dog, the chill guy dog.
Yes.
Explain that, not this Dhruv thing.
Oh.
We
Oh, I
understood
don't know
that.
how
We
to
only brought
explain
it
that,
up.
bro.
Like
How
how
do
did
you
that?
explain that?
Bro, like how did it become a meme?
I
And
don't
it's
know.
then fuck.
I've just seen it, bro.
Yeah, I just saw chill guy
I'm
popping
not
up
sure.
on my
And
screen.
all the quotes like
Nidish,
I'm
you know?
just a chill-
You're 19. You should know this. Okay.
magic
It's
mix.
a dog with like that cigarette in his mouth. No.
No,
Isn't
I
that
don't
the
think he has a
one?
cigarette in his mouth. But he's just like a chill guy. He's like Meg, basically.
Dog with a cigarette in his mouth. You talking about Mustu?
Dog.
Oh,
chill
this guy.
Yeah. What came
Oh
on?
no, sorry.
Just
I
a
was
chill
thinking of
guy.
another one. No, I don't know this.
What is the chill guy from? The meme features a human-like brown dog wearing a turtleneck grey sweater, red shoes and blue jeans.
The character is widely dubbed a chill guy.
It has become a symbol of a laid-back attitude toward life.
Lovely.
We should make
support-
t-shirts
yeah,
of this.
we support the chill.
So
Yeah.
apparently
we
the
had full chill
character
guys.
resembles Arthur from the iconic 90s cartoon and Charlie from Smiling Friends. I don't know what the fuck
So
those words
Arthur was
mean.
that guy with the closed fist.
I don't
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Chill guy and unchill gal dog. Oh my god.
Unchill gal.
Yeah, and finally, very, very excited to see Bumrah in captaincy, bro. A pace bowler captaining India. When was the last time that ever happened? Has this ever happened before? Can you all remember?
I think it was Bumrah only, no?
Did Bhuvi ever get like a
No.
Is
T20 captain?
this Bumrah's first? Bumrah's
he's
captained the
captain,
squad
captain
before in test.
T20s.
Test?
Yeah, in test.
Apart from when?
There was one in Australia only that Bumrah.
Jaspreet.
Jaspreet, first name basis.
I just want to talk about a bit of the schedule.
Let's finish.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, so we got a couple of like late starts in the first couple of matches. So we got a 7:50 a.m. start IST. So in Australia that's like 1:20 I think. And the second match is a day and night in Adelaide.
We're gonna lose that so bad.
Day and night.
Day and night.
They're
Day and night. day
36
and
all
night.
out. So yeah,
Oh.
exact
Yeah,
same.
yeah, we're
exact
gonna
same
get-
ground.
Bro,
And
we
then-
don't play with pink balls only, bro. Who plays with pink balls, man? It's a
And then
man's
we
game.
just have like 5 o'clock games to finish the series. Venues are Perth, Adelaide, Brisbane, Melbourne, and Sydney.
Yeah, they're always used.
So Bumrah captained us last time in 2022.
And did we win? In Australia only?
No, it was
No.
a rescheduled 5th test match of the 2021 Pataudi Trophy series.
Against?
Oh, Kohli,
The England,
England.
The England
Got
game
it.
got rescheduled.
Yeah,
Taudi.
and it was when
We lost.
Rohit had
Damn.
just got appointed as captain,
And he was
Like,
pregnant again.
And he got tested positive.
For COVID.
For the
COVID. I want to leave it. I tested positive because pregnancy then was still in the cards.
I am only believe on Jassi Bhai because game changer player he is. Only one guy. Jassi
Siraj
Bhai.
interview is too good.
DSP.
It's going to be two.
Yeah, what do we think of DSP?
DSP, what do we think? I mean,
Will he be able to hold up consistency for 5
I hope,
games?
bro. I hope.
he's a cop now. He better do, bro.
We want to see some Suits.
I'm happy to see Shami coming in from the second.
Same,
game.
even I am.
I
very
think
happy.
Siraj
I
can
think
sledge,
he's-
bro. I think that's why he'll be good. But he'll stand at the.
He doesn't know how to speak
He
English.
just, yeah.
So?
Arey, in Hindi he'll do it.
He'll
now.
learn, bro.
Bro, that's
it.
very
No, bro, bro, bro.
elitist.
Then
You
they'll-
stop doing that,
then
bro.
they'll-
No
No,
matter what,
you
put
just
your hand
saw.
down.
You saw his
They'll do
interview.
monkey, then say monkey, bro. This will not happen again.
Oh, that was.
This will
that
not
was
happen
terrible.
again.
Bro,
we don't
that
want it
was
to happen
too good.
again.
But also, he just needs to learn sledging words. He doesn't need to learn the full language, bro.
What does he have to learn? Let's
Temporary captain. Temporary captain. Have you ever heard of temporary captain?
Captain.
Let's see some sixes, huh?
Come on, Matty.
Special guest here, special guest.
I hope Harshit Rana rocks it and they drop Siraj for the second test when Shami comes in. Because I'm tired of seeing Shami.
Like for like replacement.
I'm,
I don't know about dropping Siraj.
you think he's going to rock it?
It's not about rocking him, but I just think his experience will be valuable.
That is a good point.
And Akash Deep, what do you think? He did
If
decent,
he plays
bro.
over Harshit Rana, I think this will be the only game he plays. Now, look, if Siraj starts like,
I'm just saying, I think Harshit Rana is going to play because it's a fast deck and he's a faster bowler.
yeah, is he?
Yes.
Okay. I think they're similar speed, but cool.
Fast medium or medium fast?
Cool.
Do you know the difference?
Not really, because
Bro,
then
do you not watch episodes?
y'all
That's
said
damn
like the fast medium is like 135 to 150 or something, but then what is fast? Like when they say fast, that's why I don't like. Yeah, so that's 150. Fast is 150.
We don't know
But
either.
this debate is
Fast
like
is 150, 145 plus. 135 to 145, I think was something like that.
Medium,
Was
fast medium.
fast
So
medium.
Mayank Yadav is medium fast. Got it.
Yes.
Not true.
He's not medium fast. Oh, so he's fast. He's just fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he's over 145, no?
Not consistently.
I think it's. Yeah, what do you take? Your average speed or your fastest speed?
Fastest. I have
Anyway,
no fucking
This
idea.
debate's stupid.
Debate is stupid.
I think if Siraj does badly for the first 2-3 games, then yes, you can drop him for the rest.
You can.
I think for the day and
Ajit Agarkar, you can.
I would say for the day and night, play him. I think.
Why?
Okay,
So
I think he's only
online,
a pacey wicket, like
online it
Australia
says
did.
Harshit Rana. You make me doubt myself a lot. So online it says that Harshit Rana bowls mid 140s.
Mid 140s.
Yeah, he's
What, is that
faster.
highest or average?
Average.
Are you serious?
Oh no, he cranks it up to mid
Yeah,
140s.
no
so
way.
not average for sure.
But still, that's
But I don't
fast
think,
bowler.
I think Akash cranks it up to maybe
He's not a medium
mid,
bowler
but
for
maybe
sure.
142,
He
143.
touches 140.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sattu cranks it.
And he's more of a swing bowler than anything.
What do we
Anyway.
think of? I think this might be one of the first times where Jadeja's fit, yet Ashwin will be selected as a primary spinner.
And I'm glad
Yeah,
that
bro.
Ashwin
You're
is
glad.
being selected.
Ashwin and Gaba
I-
needed.
Yes.
I think
Gab.
it's
I think Ashwin
Gab-
just has more. At this point, Ashwin is in better form and he's.
No, Jadeja
think-
took a lot of
I
wickets.
think,
I know, but
I
on the-
honestly think
on the
with
Austra-
Jadeja, it's too much of batting depth.
Continue.
No, speak. Sorry.
No.
No, speak.
No.
Speak.
Speak.
No,
Speak.
no,
Speak.
I'm not going to say
Speak.
Okay, then don't speak.
for the rest of the
If you have 8 people and Jadeja as a number 8, I don't think it's a very good balance. So I think Ashwin can add a good stability to the batting.
Ashwin's pretty decent at batting in a test match, no?
Yeah.
He scored a century, 6 centuries or something. So
There is batting.
Jaddu is also decent at batting.
Yeah, of course. I'm
But
saying
Jaddu is
it's
not a
not as
stability.
for the people are talking about.
Jaddu is meant more for going out.
See what you make him do.
I think Ashwin has 2 more wickets than him, so it's a nice rivalry going on.
Dude, I actually really like this Australia team. Like the players in this Australia team, they're all really fun, man.
They're fun, but now they're old.
Like
Australia.
Marsh and Labuschagne, I love. They're 2 of my favorite players only.
Labuschagne is entertaining.
He's
bro.
fucking
He's
entertaining.
30.
All
I
of them are
can't
damn
believe
good.
They're
Man.
fucking entertaining,
Yeah,
bro.
But I think next BGT, I don't think Australia really will have a team at this rate. But again, they'll just pull
Bro,
up
we
someone.
have to look at what's happening this
Yeah,
week, not
yeah.
next year.
They'll pull up someone from BBL and they'll become into a superstar.
What's the guy's name? The Delhi Capitals batter. Fraser McGo. Fraser McGo.
I do not think
James.
I don't
He's
think
been shit.
JFM
He's
is
been shit.
Oh, okay.
JFM is ever playing test regardless of his
JFM
form.
is your president.
It's actually good because the Indian pitches are so easy to bat on. All these foreign players come, rock it, and
They get
they go
fucked.
back to their they go back and they get fucked, and then everyone's like, "What the fuck are you all doing? Y'all are getting paid so much."
So it works for everyone but us.
Exactly. Mix, go now. Continue.
Anything else? Any thoughts, Mix?
Okay, Kohli scoring over or under 300 runs?
Are you asking?
in this
Yes,
first
I'm
test?
just
Or
telling us.
full 5 tests?
no, ask
Yes,
us.
full 5 tests.
Over 300.
Over 300.
Inshallah over.
Thank God, you guys are logical.
Y'all guys.
Bumrah going under or above 20 wickets.
Over.
Over, bro.
Over for everything.
Yeah, everything India over. We
Over.
want it.
You think we're clowns or what?
No.
Oh,
Don't lie.
thank God.
Thanks for the hesitation, by the way.
Ask more questions.
Any over-unders?
Man of the series.
Man of the series, Rishabh.
Rohit Sharma, boy or girl?
Boy.
Man of the
He has a
series.
girl, no, already?
Yeah, even I'm saying boy.
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 Good. But you, man of the series,
For me,
yeah,
Kohli.
of course.
Virat.
For you?
Um,
No, I'll go Pant.
Yeah, fair.
I was going to say Pant as well.
Pant or Jussie
more,
Bhai.
more, yeah.
Jussie Bhai.
More logical standpoint, I go Bumrah.
Rishabh Pant, bro.
Rishabh, bro. When they start chanting in Wankhede, his name from Rishabh becomes Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh.
Rishabh Pant. And then the same logic doesn't apply to Virat. They chant Virat Kohli, not Virat Kohli.
I'll go Pat Cummins.
But what you brought up earlier,
Nathan
like
Lyon.
we've grown up with watching the Australian side and hating those players because they've been so dirty. And now it's completely flipped where they're
Yeah.
still amazing players, the best probably, and they all are just so likable. Adam Zampa, Pat Cummins.
Blondie.
Adam Zampa is not likable.
He is
He's
so
damn funny,
likable.
bro.
He's
Yeah,
so
He's
funny.
damn funny.
Looks like a
Zampa has some
But
comedy
now he
moments.
has blonde hair.
Yeah, he does right now. They've been
He
making
looks like a lesbian.
they've
Zampa
been,
going around
they've
with
been
his
making
head.
so much fun of his salad.
Zampa
as
has
a
a lot of
TGC
memes
boys
also
say.
attached to him.
Zampa likes to get high as well, doesn't he?
Does he?
Yeah, so he
Loves
plays
it.
I would have
for
liked him, bro,
He-
when I started this podcast.
Highest run
I
scorer?
now you don't.
Nah,
so
that's why you switched.
So he plays for Los Angeles Kolkata Knight Riders in the MLC.
What?
And
Los Angeles?
Yes.
Kolkata
KKR.
Knight Riders. Very logical name, amazing name. Whoever's their marketing team, amazing.
Lakers. Lakers.
Any
The Lakers
do you
are
watch?
playing.
Do you watch the NBA? No, but I'm a
Nah, just
Lakers fan.
Just Lakers.
Laker fan.
Oh,
And his
What
number
do you
was
say?
420.
highest
so
run
he-
scorer?
Adam Zampa. Nathan
Rishabh
McSweeney.
Pant. He's going to win the man of the
Nathan
series.
McSweeney.
Okay.
KL Rahul.
Oh.
Oh, don't. You'll hurt yourself.
Who are you going to say? Virat.
No. I'm gonna go for a wild shout. I think Shubman's making it back by the second test and he's scoring the most runs.
Wild shot. And you think then he has to win the play of the series, bro?
No, why can't Bumrah win it for taking the most wickets?
True.
You
said
idiot.
Bumrah?
I said logically I'd go Bumrah. I'm going Kohli
Illogically.
because
You idiot.
My
Why
I
do you
said
think,
Virat, bro. When he's like Virat Kohli, and what a smile he gave after that.
why do you think he's not letting you speak? You talk
Sorry.
nonsense. Any more?
no, unless you'll ask me some stuff. No.
Sure. Yeah.
Can I talk now?
Meg is done.
Let's finally predictions.
Series predictions. Magic mix.
You'll go first.
5-0.
No, you go first. It
You
starts
go
from there.
5-0. We will destroy these Australians at home.
Okay, I'm not even counting that.
Clown.
I don't care what you
He's
count.
clown.
Fuck do I give a fuck?
Clown. Bro, okay, I am gonna go 3-1 for Australia.
Bro, it's a 5-match.
Yeah, so it
One
can be a
draw,
draw.
one
You
draw.
My
dumbass.
bad. My bad.
He's going 3-1.
I haven't seen a draw in so long, bro. India.
Because they
test
stopped
matches.
padding
Yeah.
the ball only, na.
They're bazzing it.
Tane go.
3-2. I want to see a result in every game.
For who, but?
Arey, result 3-1
He's
is
always
also
gonna
result
choose his
in
team.
every game. Actually, that's a
India, of
but
course.
it's a test match. You need one draw at least, you know.
What one draw?
One draw.
Padding.
We should make a reel, bro. Just us padding the ball.
When they start playing foot cricket. Start whacking the ball.
3-1 Australia.
Yuck, bro. Get this fucking guy out of the studio, please.
Matthew Hayden has also predicted 3-1 to Australia.
Yeah, please don't invite him back.
He's
That's
gotten
a
too
terrible
comfortable
answer.
with the
I said
Indians.
India
That's a
crashed
terrible
New Zealand
mix.
If you want to
That's a
job
terrible
back
mix.
at the
That's a
in the
terrible-
IPL commentating, please
Terrible.
give correct predictions of India winning and India winning only. Please do not give him a job back again.
How can you say 3-1 Australia? Have some shame.
Mix, if your prediction
Bro,
is
you
not
pick-
right,
Go ahead.
if your prediction is not right, you're going to come back on and wear a clown's costume and sit for
At
an
least the
entire
hat.
episode.
I'm not doing that.
Hat,
The
hat
nose,
and
nose.
the nose. Hat and the nose.
Okay, fine.
Also, you can't pick
But-
2 Indians to win Man of the Series.
Yeah,
Bumrah.
And
and
most
you are
runs.
calling us illogical, clown, and all this.
And then
I'm not gonna
have
count it.
Australia.
He said Virat Kohli, but shout for Shubman Gill getting the most runs. And then
And
he said,
Bumrah to win the-
illogically.
And then Australia to win after the Indian player gets Man of the Series. Aisa kaisa?
And most runs.
That's possible.
Okay, I don't like this negative
Fine.
vibe that you're
2-1
creating.
India,
Yeah,
come on.
I am
Let's
also
go.
going.
2-1 India, come on.
I flipped to 3-1 India. But if
2-1
2-1
India.
India is not correct, then you have to wear the clown costume.
That's too specific. India wins the series, I'm not doing anything. If India loses the series,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not-
Fair,
Okay,
fair,
done.
fair,
done,
fair,
done,
fair,
Wait, we
fair,
should
fair,
actually
fair.
just touch on what are the chances of like what India needs to qualify for the World
yeah,
Test
I
Championship.
should talk about this probably. Important shit.
Don't interrupt him.
We
even
need
once.
4 games. We need to win 4 games to automatically qualify. If we win 3, I
Tell him
think we're
to
still in a
stop.
good spot. The problem is if we win 3 and Australia win 2, Australia still have 2 matches in Sri Lanka. And South Africa, looking at their fixtures, it's 2 against Sri Lanka and 2 against...
It's okay, but what do
One
India need to
second.
do?
4
Win
or
four.
3.
4
right?
or 5. Oh.
4 or 3. Obviously 5, but...
4 or 3?
Dude, I'm going 4-0 India. Fuck this.
Even I'm going for 4 or final India.
Yeah, 4-0 India. Changed.
Okay, changed. 4-0 India.
4-0 India.
Come on.
4-0 India. Come on, India.
It's Sri Lanka and Pakistan at home. South Africa plays Sri Lanka and Pakistan at home. So, I think they have 1 foot in the final.
Who?
South
Australia.
Africa.
Oh, South Africa. I know, bro.
That's why let him talk, you don't talk.
So,
But yeah, 4-0.
I'm going to 1 India.
That's okay. He said India at least.
After we had to convince him, bro.
Yeah, that's terrible. This
These kids
generation's
don't
gone.
vote. They don't support
He's wearing
the
a
country.
jersey, bro. Wearing an India jersey saying 2-1 Australia. Yuck.
Anything else? Any final thoughts on the Border Gavaskar Trophy?
Yeah.
How, bro?
Just quick. Okay, fine, we're done.
No.
Please, please,
Yeah.
bro. Please.
Okay, honestly, Australia's pace attack
So
is
far,
going to
you're
be
being
critical.
dishonest with us.
I think overall, we need to negate the first session, like every time we bat, so the first 30 overs, and then after the 80th over. So those 2 phases, we need to just make sure we're able to bat out well, not lose too many wickets, and just score runs. And also, I think post maybe the 45th over, once Lyon starts to get effect, we also have to be careful of him.
Okay, so bat cautiously.
In certain phases, yes, but also try scoring runs because you won't win the game otherwise.
Try scoring runs.
Yeah, no room for padding.
No, of course.
When should they pad? In
Padding
which
is called
sessions?
cautious. It's called cautious.
Yeah, so when
First-
You're not going
30.
to pat 6 balls.
okay, don't pat 6 balls.
Obviously not.
Why not? That's such a beautiful over.
Because you're not going to get to pat 6 balls. You're going to bowl stump to stump or you're going to pad it again.
LBW. Yeah, at least you padded.
Yes, just lose 6 wickets.
We should do a drinking game on padding, bro.
Every pad,
Every-
finish the whole bottle.
Maybe 2 bottles throughout the series.
You don't give us advice to drink. Please.
Throughout
Two
the series, two bottles, too less.
2 bottles of bottles of juice.
Of Nariyal Pani.
Booze.
This punishment will be.
Okay,
going-
I'm done, man.
Sure?
Yes.
Promise?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, bro, we didn't cover the. I forgot to add it to the rundown, but
John Jones, the great assault.
now John Jones.
Oh.
The IPL draft auction.
A couple of predictions. Can I make?
Sure.
I'm waiting for.
Now he's asking.
Okay, Mitchell Stark will remain as the highest ever player paid. Rishabh Pant for above 20 crore is going to be sold. So because
To who?
Punjab.
Tough one, but
Punjab.
No, bro, if that guy So, also by the way, Glenn Maxwell commented saying, "I'd rather retire from cricket than play for
Yes.
CSK." When someone
Why?
apparently that's what he said. He's like,
But
"I'd rather retire."
Give us Rishabh Pant first, then come
Oh my
back to
God, where did he
Maxwell.
go?
Give two
Punjab.
teams, it's okay.
Punjab
yeah,
is one
Punjab
of them.
then is one of them because
Wait, there's no
Preeti's
chance
in
they're
the-
getting him
I
back.
think Punjab's budget is 55 crores. So basically, whatever they half their budget, and that becomes their budget. Because they
Why?
always leave the auction with more than 30 crore remaining.
What's the chances of him
They
going back to
never
them?
Oh,
finish
like
their
that.
budget.
No chance.
They didn't retain him.
And
Someone will
more
pick him.
importantly,
Maybe
where
they
is
can get
Arjun
him back.
Tendulkar going to play?
Also, sorry about that.
Sorry about
Massive news.
But just give me the answer, man.
Where
Besides,
will he go?
yeah. Punjab,
Punjab or
KKR.
RCB?
RCB. Okay.
KKR don't have the money.
Punjab or RCB.
There's quite big news in terms of.
Okay, now let's go to Maxwell. Why did he say?
I'm not
fuck
sure why he
CSK?
said this, but
Okay,
I just read about
He just
it.
said it.
Okay.
And he said, I'd love to play for RCB again.
Also, one more question. Which team is Arjun Tendulkar going to play for?
Mumbai.
Thank God, bro. Let's go.
Okay.
One more thing, Mike.
What was I gonna say? Shit.
Shit.
So we thought. I'm trying to help him organize.
Oh yeah, RR do
RR.
not have a single RTM. So that means Josh Butler, Uzi, Bolt, they're all going to be finding new teams.
All up for grabs.
Yes.
And
Why do
Mumbai.
they not have a single RTM? They already used all of them?
Um,
How do you already use all of them?
Sandeep Sharma uncapped. Then it was Jurel,
Sanju.
Sanju, Parag, Jaiswal, and they had one more retention.
Was it Hetmeyer?
Yeah.
6, right?
Yeah.
All done.
So they
Oh.
actually retained Hetmai over Uzi, Bolt, and Butler, which is
Bro, why is
Yeah.
Uzi always so undervalued, man?
it's ridiculous. I honestly
'Cause
think
he's
it's
short.
Stop wicket
absolutely
keeper,
ridiculous.
wicket taker of the IPL.
Yeah.
Brother went to RR and I
T20
still
though.
remember this.
Is it because
last
of his
auction.
batting? Because his batting is so bad.
Oh,
It's
come on,
class.
his bowling's insane. I remember last auction
Oh,
he
come
went for
on.
like sub 6 crore. 6 crore on
7 crore.
Hello, he's like Karol.
No, but I think Uzi this time should go above 10. And also, I think a lot of keepers are going to inflated prices. I think Rahul
Why?
should go. Because they're wicket keepers, they're very limited in supply and you want a good one. Rahul should
Demand
go
and
unsold
supply.
because he
Basics.
sucks. Max you should pay for Rahul like 5 crore. Don't pay
Rahul
more.
again, bro.
Because
Bichara.
he'll make like a 50, he'll take like 45 balls, he'll try to hit the next one.
KL, we love you, by the
No,
way.
he's
I
actually
love
kind of
KL.
right also, but
Yeah,
magic
yeah,
mix.
sure.
Yeah.
That
Yes,
cannot
yes.
accelerate at
Yeah.
will. That's what separates him from Kohli. Like
But now he has meta.
Kohli is better at
Where
what
you're bringing Kohli to
पहले
this, bro.
कोहली पे आ गए फिर गिल पे आ गए
they're both two
खुदा
very,
का खौफ रखो तुम।
let me explain. They both have very good technical ability. Kohli's is
Yes.
superior. But Kohli, when he wants to, is accelerate at will. Rahul tries to accelerate, he's out the next ball.
But there's a big chance that, or big rumor that RCB is going to go after KL because last time they were able to create the
Who do you
magic
support?
and make the final. KL was at RCB.
Who do you support?
He supports.
RCB.
I thought what?
I hope KL goes to RCB.
Yeah, I'll cry. I was hearing this. I was about to like cry. I'm like, why the hell would you ever buy this guy?
It's
But
just
how
a
can-
game. Don't
Even
cry.
I'm supporting RCB this
But
year.
how can you not support Mumbai?
I have a love for Kohli, man.
He has a love for Kohli.
You don't vote, you don't like Maharashtra, you don't like Mumbai. What to say?
Just move to
bro?
Bangalore.
Yeah, actually.
Go to
man.
Bangalore.
I support Bangalore this year.
What do we think about Bolt?
Virat.
Virat.
We think that Bolt is an amazing opening bowler.
How
100
much
meter
money?
sprints.
Paisa.
Paisa, money, paisa.
With that 958 run, incredible.
7 crore.
Sir,
7 crore.
crore.
I'm not good with number. I'm not good with
Crore.
numbers.
You know what I'm shocked?
It's a sad
You know what I'm genuinely shocked
Amitabh.
about?
Amitabh, yes.
It also honestly
fuck
with
you,
Bolt,
too.
it depends on like which team is going to go after him because conditions really matter for him.
I honestly think above 10.
Above
he deserves
10?
it. Above 10.
How old is he? 39, 88.
Bro, he's like 32, 33 maybe at best.
Oh damn, he's been around forever, man.
35.
35.
35.
But he's
not
a
bad.
Kiwi clown, bro. Do we
Kiwi
want him?
clown.
Brother
Yeah.
just gets wickets for fun in the first over.
Brother.
It's like a tradition.
That's
by this
what,
point.
nah.
He always does. You're right. Him and Bumrah and Mumbai were
You
too
know what
good.
I'm shocked
bro.
about? And I
They
genuinely just looking at the media. Arshdeep Singh's gone in the auction and he's unfollowed PBKs on Insta.
That amazing. What this is what you should have started with first of all.
So I don't think they're going to be right to matching him. So if I'm shocked Arshdeep Singh's in the auction.
Google
An
AI
Indian
over
left-arm fast bowler. He
Continue.
might be the best T20 bowler in the auction.
Arshdeep,
Yes.
better than Bolt.
Yes.
Bumrah.
In terms of age, yes. Bumrah's not in
Not in
the
the
auction.
auction, you idiot.
Trent Bolt is going to go for
cricket, bro. I'm learning.
Trent Bolt is going to go for 8 crores. There, I said it.
Yeah, now seeing that he's 35, that's more reasonable.
Arshdeep,
I
how
think
much?
he might even go for
15 and
lesser.
above.
15 and above.
He
Arshdeep.
deserves it.
He deserves it.
17 wickets at the T20 World Cup. That was more than Bumrah.
Arey, but Bumrah
In
was
South
man of the
Africa,
tournament.
dog.
Yeah, because of his economy. Bumrah's economy is next
He
level.
got that many wickets because of Bumrah.
Yeah, because next over pressure was
Yeah.
built.
And then they
You
had to
cannot
go
blame.
after.
You cannot give all his 17 wickets.
I'm-
saying,
I'm not blaming him. I'm not saying he's bad. But Bumrah had a lot to do with
Yeah, of course.
him getting 17 wickets. in the World
Bumrah's
Cup.
generational. You're never going to find another bowler like Bumrah
Jassi
probably
bhai.
in a lifetime. So all the best.
Jassi bhai. Say. Thank you, Jassi bhai.
Thank you, Jassi bhai.
You are the only.
You're
game
the legend.
changer
You're,
player.
you're the GOAT.
Bro, okay, so if Bumrah entered the auction,
25 crore plus.
What was the question?
That-
I know,
that-
obviously, bro.
But yeah, I agree with that. I think it'd be a ridiculous.
Considering
rate
the
if he was
prices
back.
have considering the purse has gone to 110 crore, 25 crore plus easy. That should be the first bid from someone.
Bro, the bidding war for him would be insane to watch in a draft.
Brother, the bidding war for
In
him
a,
in
your
draft.
brother, sorry, in an auction. I keep saying draft, my bad. You stop brothering me again and again,
How
bro.
much BBL do you watch? BBL's a draft system.
He watches different
No,
BBLs,
different
bro.
sport.
ZS was going to say something, bro. What were you going to say?
Also, Marco Jansen after that
Oh.
stunning inning versus India and some very good bowling compared to the rest.
Dude, I actually thought the South African team is going to play really well, but they got absolutely smashed. They've hurt their stock value, bro.
3-1 hurt
going
your
into the
first.
auction.
So, Sorry, what? My bad.
But Marco
I was
Jansen
thinking of
did play
something
really well. Besides, he
The
was
South
saying
African players have gained stock. That's what you're saying.
he lost stock
Lost.
After
because they
losing to
played
us
shit
3-1.
against India.
Brother, they were a Brother pulled up with 1 second. Let me just go to this very quickly.
Oh, what an episode! Zero, like, I don't know what we've discussed today.
All over the place. All over the place.
Brother, when we made 280. Just shut up. Let me speak. Let me talk. Let me talk. Jansen gave 4 overs, 42 runs. Stop laughing.
What did he do?
4 overs, 42 runs when the team scored 283.
Yeah.
Most economical bowler?
By far. Second best was
He didn't get the wicket.
Mr. Keshav Maharaj, 3 overs, 42.
He's a number 1 T20 bowler
I
in the world
hate
right
that
now.
guy, bro. I
Maharaj.
hate him, bro.
Keshav?
I hate him.
Why?
Because he's so irritating at Jai Shri Ram full time.
How can you say that?
I know what Jesus is saying, though. Like, he's very, like, spiritual and he
Yeah,
puts
yeah.
on that act. Oh, he
can you
might
say
just
that?
be, but
How can you say that?
after every wicket,
Oh
he
my
does.
God.
say
Oh,
that.
even-
Folding these rugs like you're folding that mat today.
Even QDK is in the auction. I think he could go for a good sum.
Decock.
Quinton de Kock.
Quinton de Kock.
QDK.
QDK.
He can't say that.
Yeah,
Decock.
don't say that word.
He can't say that.
Marcus Stoinis also in the auction.
It's
so-
fucker in the auction.
Yeah, no Pakistan, but there's an Italian player.
Who?
I don't know his name.
Yeah,
I
it
know
just,
his-
I read that headline
and
too.
there's some
There's an Italian player. There's Italian.
and there's some 13-year-old named some Vaibhav something.
Yes,
Some
I did say.
13-year-old.
What are
I
you
saw
doing
that.
sitting over here? Go
Oh
play
yeah,
cricket.
is Anderson getting sold?
No, I hope he doesn't. I
hope he
hate him.
does.
I hate his guts.
Why?
I hate
I
English
love
players.
Anderson.
Yeah, I don't like
I
English.
hate English players.
I think English
I like
cricketers,
cricket
English
players.
cricket players actually
I
are
think
weird.
Ben Stokes,
Yeah, damn annoying.
Ben
Besto
Stokes is the biggest
and-
clown on this planet.
and
because of
Jimmy
Kieran Rahul.
Jimmy Anderson I love.
I love Anderson. I love
Joe Root and like so funny.
Root's very annoying.
Shit.
Ben Stokes, I will give my very strong opinions about him.
Please.
Shittiest, most overrated cricketer on this planet. This guy plays one good inning and gets all the hype in the world.
I fully
Sorry.
agree with
I
you.
Guy
disagree.
pulls up that
No.
next 4 innings and makes
No,
ducks.
Ben Stokes is a goat.
He's shit. This guy reeks.
No, absolutely not. You said catch in the World Cup. Whoa.
Oh my god, his fielding, that's the only thing he's good at. 1 second.
You said that against Australia. When
1
he
second.
batted
No,
that
1
innings,
second.
like,
1
the
second.
full crowd went up. Bro, you
No,
not
no,
reel or
1
what?
second.
Shoot.
Just wait 1 second.
If Ben Stokes played for India, he'd be a bigger star than Kohli, I think.
Are you nuts? Ben Stokes made a 37 when trying to chase down runs. This guy does not have
That's
any
the most in
patience.
his team.
Oh my god, every time he plays well, it never comes on winning calls. 2019 England Australia made 85, did not come on winning calls. The
That's not
2019
his fault.
But what about
He
the
needs to
Ashes?
carry the team. He needs to have the responsibility. If you want to be considered the GOAT, you need to have the responsibility to carry your
Oh,
team.
no, he's a great player. But
Look at that picture of Kohli hitting that shot over there.
Yeah. Look.
He carried the team on his back. Okay? His wins, he can never carry the team over the line. Except that one time it happens, he got all that hype in the
World Cup, bro.
What?
He hit that shot while
Yeah.
running.
What did he?
He won
That
the
was
World Cup.
Cheating shit.
But he
ever.
won it for them.
Brother, that was such cheap shit. Stop
But
recording.
cheap or no? We've been recording, bro.
No private
But
recording.
if he didn't put his bat, then he'd lose the World Cup. He won the World Cup for them,
That's
bro.
so cheap. First
That
of
doesn't
all,
matter.
the rules stated when the ball leaves the fielder's hands and unless the batsman have crossed the run doesn't count. That was the 5 runs, not 6 runs. So technically New Zealand already won the World Cup. The umpire was just shit because it was a Sri Lankan dude who I forgot his name, but he's a crap umpire.
But Ben Stokes,
clown.
legendary player,
Yes.
one of the best English players of all time.
Okay,
Kumar
first
Sangakkara, the umpire.
First innings, look at the score.
Look at the
Oh
score.
wow, what a wonderful 1 of 5 balls. Where is this big inning?
Open Kohli's last test match.
He
Goalies.
made a 70. At least he made a 70.
One game, show the other game.
Okay, but even Ben Stokes not done anything. 35 not out here. Look at this.
Out, bro!
Look at this, bro. 26. You want to be considered a GOAT and you made 26?
Not GOAT.
People call him the best all-rounder in the world currently. What do you mean?
He is.
He's not. He's shit.
You're gonna break the studio.
He's overrated as crap.
Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram.
Brother, drop
Great
down the IPL
episode.
option. Brother, drop
Done. Enough.